grammar. Let's revise 3. I request you all, please open your textbook and pay attention. So here in the first exercise you will get some picture. So look at the picture and fill in the blanks with suitable preposers. So please pay attention. I will read for you. A. There is a boy in the first picture near the engine. B. There are 2 mangoes at the end of the top row. 3. C. There is a ball in the row. It is above the sunflower and beside the mangoes. D. There is a helicopter next to the sunflower. E. There is a puzzle below the engine. Exercise 2. Choose the correct answer from the brackets and complete the sentences. A. The school reopened on a Friday, but many they would be returning after the weekend. B. I would like some coffee, sugar please, and some biscuits. C. Neither Kunal nor Sukriti could solve the problem. 3. Underline the parts of sentences indicated in the brackets. A. The children are playing in the garden. Here we have to underline predicate. So I have underlined the predicate. So please do so. B. My mother taught me mathematics. Here we have to underline direct object. It is mathematics. Now question 4. Change these questions into statements. A. Is it raining? Answer. It is raining. B. Have you seen the ball? Answer. You or I have seen the ball. 5. Change these sentences as per the instructions given in brackets. A. What a beautiful sunset. We have to change this sentence into assertive sentence. So answer will be this way. It is a very beautiful sunset. Here we have to put full stop. B. You can borrow my bike. We have to change into interrogative. It will end with question mark. Can or may I borrow your bike? Exercise 6. Write this sentence in direct speech. A. The Prime Minister said all children in government schools will be given a meal every day by the authorities. Answer. The Prime Minister announced that all children in government schools would be given a meal every day by the authorities. B. Can I borrow your compass please? Ronnie asked Sam. Ronnie requested Sam if he could borrow his compass. C. There is going to be heavy snowfall in New York for Christmas this year, said the weatherman. Answer. The weatherman reported that there was going to be heavy snowfall in New York for Christmas that year. Exercise 7. Write these sentences as indicated in bracket. A. Granny presented the case very well. This we have to change the voice. The case was presented by Granny very well. B. The door has been shut. Someone has shut the door. C. My mother baked this cake. This cake has been baked by my mother. 8. Write these sentences by contracting the underlined words. Here we have underlined, we have to write it short form. A. Please do not disturb me. I am working. Please don't disturb me. I am working. B. The children have not eaten their lunch yet. The children haven't eaten their lunch yet. C. I would like to go to grandmother's place in the summer holidays. I'd like to go to grandmother's place in the summer holidays. So I request you all these 8 exercises, please write in your grammar textbook with pencil and learn it well. Thank you.